Guys, I just opened up a brand new Discord channel, and this one is better than ever. I've had a few in the past, but this one is definitely the most developed one I've had yet. And I think this is a great opportunity for you guys to meet other designers, get help, have some fun, and overall just have a good experience. So I think you guys should all join. So I'm going to show you guys how you can join and what the Discord entails. So first off, you want to go to my channel, and there's a few ways you can get to the Discord. So first way being, go to my channel right here and click on 2 more links. You should see there's a Discord link right here. Click on that and it'll ask you to join. Another way is to go to my newest video, which will be this video, or what is VectorP, and go down into the description of this video. And you will see down here, join the community. It says Discord. Here it is. Click on that and it'll ask you to join as well. So once you do that, and you join the Discord, you will be able to answer a few questions and then you will be allowed into the Discord. There is so much you can do here. So first off, we're just going to start out with the front desk. So there's just some welcome animations and stuff for people that just joined. Announcements here, stuff that's going on in the community. This is my admin right here. He helps out a lot, as well as my moderator and OG right here. So we're going to have some giveaways here so you guys can win some stuff. And there's a ton of other stuff here. So here, my YouTube videos will be posted and notified to everyone in the server in case YouTube doesn't send you a notification. You can get links to my other social media here or my channel membership page right here. Now, if you guys just joined the server, feel free to introduce yourself here in the introduction channel. Tell us who you are and what you do so we can get a better idea who we're talking to. General chat is where all the chatting is going to be going on here. Post memes here. You could post some graphics here that people can use. I posted a few backgrounds that I've been using. You can showcase your artwork here and get some opinions from people, which is a really cool thing. Suggestions, you can suggest things for my channel like videos or maybe suggestions for the Discord server, stuff like that to help me get a better idea of what you guys actually want. Now, if you guys are into gaming, we have a gaming area here as well. You can talk about some games here. You can look for a group in this one and play some games with each other, or you could even post some game clips from your favorite games. Now, if you want to play some games within our Discord server, we have a few bots here. We got the Aki bot, Dank Memer, whatever, right? Ton of bots. I don't know how to use them, but if you have Google, you could probably figure it out. Now, let's say you guys need some help with something. You can actually open a ticket here and send me a ticket or one of my admins, and one of us will get to it as soon as possible and answer your question. Here, you can create a custom VC by just joining this one. So once you click it, it'll open up a new voice channel and you can start talking to people. Or you could join these lobbies here, share your screen in this one, maybe watch some movies or shows with people, maybe show off your game, or you can listen to music down here. And yeah, that's pretty much all our server has to offer. There's a ton of it. And if you guys join this channel, go ahead and say what's up and I will try to respond to you. But I think this is going to be a really good thing for us, and I think it'll be a great time. So that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you guys here. Who knows? Maybe we'll do a giveaway soon. We're getting close to 20K, so let's make it happen, guys. Peace.